Equity as described in the text. We should hold the expectation that all children can reach mathematics proficiency and that high-level performance must be attained regardless of race, ethnicity, gender, socioeconomic status, ability, or linguistic background, and including student in special education and gifted education. So, to me, that's a bit confusing and wordy. This is a little easier to understand. Equality, we give everyone the same thing, versus equity, everyone gets what they need to complete the task and understand the task. So, when we're thinking about math, we really need to use equity versus equality. If we give all 30 of our students a lecture, are they all going to understand it? Well, of course not. Some don't even speak English at home. Some are coming from Mexico, have varying degrees of understanding of the English language. At least in the Coachella Valley, it's mainly Mexico. IQ, some kids are faster than others. Some know more from life. Some have learned more. Some children's parents understand math better and have incorporated it into their lives. Whatever it may be, they come into the classroom with different skill levels. So I followed a California Core Math Standard, Operations and Algebraic Thinking, from kindergarten to 6th grade. As you can see from the California State Standards on Operation and Algebraic Thinking, it progresses through the years. In kindergarten, we're just beginning to teach them numbers and how to add. First and 2nd grade, they build on this skill. Add, subtract. 2nd grade introduces a little bit of multiplication. By 3rd grade, they should have simple division. 4th grade, they strengthen their multiplication and division skills, start to recognize patterns, and finally factors and multiples. By 5th grade, they're getting into algebra, analyzing numerical expressions. Grades up to 5th are just leading up to this portion of understanding algebra. And by 6th grade, expressions and equations are introduced. They're solving one variable equations and inequalities and analyzing quantitative relationships between dependent and independent variables. So, even though we're talking about algebra, we don't really get to it till 6th grade. The rest of it is building up to it.